Welcome to Chess with Ashmit. So today we'll be looking at this easy yet difficult puzzle. So the task at hand is to checkmate the black king using the white pieces on the board. So you can pause the video here and try to figure out the solution yourself. I hope you succeeded. If you didn't, it's fine. So let's start with the puzzle. The first thought that might have come to your mind is by giving a check to the black king, which is actually the right way to proceed. But there are two possible checks. So either you can do it by bringing the queen on d8 to h8, but here the problem is after the rook on c5 comes to c6 and you continue giving checks, you'll notice that you aren't able to make any significant process because there's a repetition of moves, and the repetition of moves will eventually lead to a draw, and we don't want that because we were in quite a promising position at the start. So the second check here, which is by bringing the queen on h7 to b7, leads to only one possible move for black, which is rook on c5 to c6, because this rook is pinned because of this queen. So after you bring this rook here, you can give another check by giving a check by bringing your queen on a5. Now this rook will have to slide up to block this check, and this process will continue. Eventually you'll see when the queen on d2 comes to queen on g5, there's only one possible way to block this check, which is by pushing this pawn forward. And unlike rooks, the pawns can't move backwards. So this is the progress that we have made after one round of checks. So continuing with this pattern, you'll come to see that we are making similar kind of progress, and the pawn will eventually blockade the rooks from protecting the black king. So here we again see after queen on b3 comes to f3, the pawn will have to push forward, and this pawn can't go backwards. So now we have to go through this cycle once again. So that is by bringing the queen on d2 up to g5, and this cycle repeats itself. And now, as you can see, there are no possible rook moves that protect the black king, as this pawn is not a rook and can't slide over to the d4 square to prevent this checkmate. So the black king gets checkmated here. So a pretty interesting puzzle. So I'll be bringing similar puzzles on this channel in the future, and any suggestions are welcome. You can write them down in the comments and I'll try to reply to those. You can also consider subscribing if you like these puzzles. So with that, I would like to end this video. Thank you very much for your valuable time.